Hey, welcome to another Sunday sit down. I know I'm not at my desk today. I am driving because I've got a lot of errands to take care of today. Yesterday was not necessarily a good day, and so this is a good time to reflect on, when things aren't going the way that we want them to, when our plans aren't happening the way we expect them to. You need to really take a step back, be humble. Understand what are your goals, right? You need to first, realize what is going on in your situation. Understand that you have the power to change the way you react and the way that you feel about things, okay? I know that that's easier said than done from personal experience, but, the first step is to realize, all right? The next step is to then go ahead and make sure that you have adjusted your plan accordingly, because it's okay if plans change. We want to make sure that our goal is still the target that we're trying to hit, but it's okay if our plans change, all right? And it's very important that you can understand the difference between, your goals and the plan. Even though they're both interconnected, they're not the same, okay? Because a plan is really the steps that are outlined to achieve your goal. And so, if you think about the GPS story that I've told, if you haven't heard this story, let's have a one-on-one sit down. But basically, you can put in the address and the GPS will tell you a few different ways to get there. And if you go off course, it'll course correct. Or you can just be like, okay, I'm going to head east and hope that I get there, right? Wherever there is, depending on your particular situation. And so, it's okay if the plan changes. If you go off course, it'll course correct, right? So that's just an adjustment to the plan, but the goal, the destination is still the same, right? And so that's very important. And then, third, you have to take action. This is one of the biggest problems for a lot of people is they are really good about having a belief or, a desire to accomplish something. But then when it comes time to put in the work, that's when people shy away. And that's when people do not become successful, right? And then you have to not only do these things that I just talked about, but you have to be happy about what you're doing. You have to like what you're doing, all right? So that's basically all I have to say for today. Just a quick Sunday sit down. This time we're sitting down in the car, so apologize if there is, any background noise or anything like that. I apologize. But, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of my community. And let me know if you have any questions. By all means, my goal is to help as many people as I can with their finances. All right, whether that be a get out of debt plan, just to create a plan to get out of debt, or if it means, saving for retirement, and ultimately leaving something to the next generation. The choice is yours. You don't have to work with me. It's not going to hurt my feelings if you don't reach out. But if there's any holes in your financial boat, I'm here to help you fix them. All right, thanks again, everybody, and we'll see you next time.